mugginess of the air, Casey. It's just like, oh.
Yeah,
I mean, I got back from Colorado last week where you get that cool, dry mountain air, but
and you didn't bring any of that back with you, did you?
I tried.
Yeah,
I tried. You know, I mean, it was negotiation. Mother Nature came up
politics,
on top.
blah, blah.
Yeah, all that stuff. But I mean, there is some dry air on the way.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Listening.
Yep. We'll get to that here in just a minute. But tracking the tropics, I'm sure, you know, talking about dry air and then going right into the tropics makes sense, right? But they are starting to heat up, so it does bear our attention. You can see 75-mile-per-hour winds for Hurricane Danielle right now, and this is going to move off to the east, probably impacting the United Kingdom before all is said and done as one of the windstorms that they often have up there at this time of year. Now, here is Earl, very close to hurricane strength. This does have the potential. Actually, the National Hurricane Center is suggesting that this will strengthen into a major hurricane before moving to the east to Bermuda. So I'd call your friends in Bermuda right now, if you have them, just to let them know that the storm's going to be awful close to their area here within the next few days. Upper air analysis, this is very important. High pressure ridge out to our west that is preventing most of us from getting into the triple digits. We also have a storm system over parts of the Great Lake region, and that will be bringing in additional shower chances as we head into tomorrow. But right now, most of us are dry. Not all of us, but most of us are. A few clouds here and there. We're at 90 degrees. Winds are southwest at 10 miles per hour. A couple of high cirrus clouds, but just to the southeast of Longview, you can see near Center Point and Beckville there in Panola County. Storm trying to get going, but I don't expect this to last very long for the area, but it could be a quick little downpour just like that and could bring some beneficial rain to that region of Panola County. 80s and 90s right now. It's 84 in Nacogdoches, so those temperatures have come down just a little bit because of that shower we were talking about last hour. 30-day rainfall deficit looking a lot better than what we were just about a month ago. We only have one spot which is concerning, and that's central Anderson County, where we've seen a deficit of rain, but certainly big improvements there. 72, that is your low temperature tonight. Again, a couple of showers can't be ruled out, and then as we head into tomorrow, we'll hit 89, a decent chance of rain. I do anticipate that we will have a slightly higher coverage of those showers and thunderstorms by tomorrow afternoon, and here's the reason why. Most of the models have consolidated and are suggesting that we will have a few showers and thunderstorms in the peak of the daytime heating tomorrow afternoon. Okay, tomorrow morning, a couple of showers here and there. We may hear a rumble of thunder or two. By 1 o'clock, more robust activities forming in deep east Texas, meaning we will have a couple of showers and thunderstorms around. By 5, most of that is beginning to diminish out of our area. And by Thursday morning, I do anticipate that we will start to see those dew points start to decrease. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow. Notice dew points in the upper 60s. That's common for this time of year in East Texas. Watch what happens on Thursday, though. A little bit lower, low to middle 60s, and then by Friday, even better. We're talking about dew points in the 50s and 60s, so a little taste of what late September, early October is going to feel like. And you will notice this. I mean, this is just not something we see all that often, and those dew points will decrease, and we will start to see lower temperatures in the mornings as a result. Over the next 6 to 10 days, pretty typical for this time of year, upper 80s, lower 90s expected, and I do expect us to dry out significantly as we head into the middle to late part of next week. It's all right here in your 7-day. Upper 80s for Wednesday. We're at 90 Thursday, 92 Friday. A couple of showers to our east Saturday, and then we're still in the 90s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Deep East Texas, 90s across the board, but look at those lows. We will be in the upper 60s over the next several nights. Casey?